Hello friends, welcome to Excelytics. Today we are going to see another new video on Excel interview equations in logical functions. So let us begin. Go to main tab and we are going to cover task number 2, which is tax amount. So simply click here and these are the various income details. And now we need to calculate the tax amount for these different income levels. Okay. So in order to calculate the tax amount, these are the slabs we have. So if the income is less than or equal to 2,50,000, there is no tax. And if the income falling between 2,50,000 and equal to 5 lakh, less than or equal to 5 lakhs, it is 10%. And if the income is greater than 5 lakhs and less than or equal to 10 lakhs, it is 20%. And the income is more than 10 lakhs, it is 30%. So let us see an example in general how the income tax is calculated. So let us take an example of 6 lakhs income. Okay. So if there is an income of 6 lakhs, so on first 2,50,000 there won't be any tax. So firstly I will remove 2,50,000 out of this amount. So the balance left out amount is 3,50,000. So in this 3,50,000 up to 5 lakhs it is 10%, and the excess of 5 lakhs it will be 20%. So excess of 5 lakhs we need to calculate the total income minus 5 lakh, which is 1 lakh. So in this 3,50,000, 1 lakh is excess of 5 lakhs, which should be calculated at a different rate. So the balance left out is 2,50,000. So on this 2,50,000, the tax will be 10%, and this 1 lakh, which is excess of 5 lakhs, the tax will be 20%. So the total tax amount to be paid is 45,000. Okay. So in the same way, if the income is more than 10 lakhs, suppose 12 lakhs, so the first 2,50,000 will be 0, and from 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs the amount will be 2,50,000 into 10%, and from 5 lakh to 10 lakhs the amount will be 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs into 20%, which is 1 lakh, and about 10 lakhs will be 30%. So the total income minus 10 lakhs. So first we need to do the subtraction, and the excess of this should be charged at 30%, so which is 60,000. Okay. So the total tax to be paid will be 0, 25,000, 1 lakh plus 60,000, which is 1,85,000. Okay. So let us try to write a formula which will automatically calculates the tax amount, so based upon the different income amounts. Okay. So I will delete all this calculation and will take 2,50,000, 5 lakh, 10 lakh. Okay. And I'm going to use ifs and function for this task. So first I will write ifs, and if you look at the syntax, first we need to do logical test, and if the test is true we need to give a value. So the first logical test will be if the income is less than or equal to 2,50,000, hit F4, comma, the value should be 0 because no tax if the income is less than or equal to 2,50,000, comma, the second logical test where if the income is more than 2,50,000 but less than 5 lakhs. So we have two conditions. So I will write and. So the first condition will be income should be greater than 2,50,000, hit F4, comma, the second logical test will be if the income is less than or equal to 5 lakh, hit F4, and if these two conditions are true, the tax amount will be the income minus 2,50,000, hit F4. So first we need to calculate the difference. So I will give brackets. Once the difference amount is available, then we need to calculate the tax amount at 10%. Okay. Now the third logical test, if the income is more than 5 lakh but less than 10 lakhs. Okay, again we have two conditions. So we are going to use AND function. Income is more than 5 lakh, hit F4, comma, and if the income is less than or equal to 10 lakhs, hit F4 and close the bracket. So if these two conditions are true, then by default from 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs he will be charged at 10%. So which is 2,50,000, hit F4 into 10%. So first we need to do this calculation. So I will update this in brackets. Okay, plus, and the excess of 5 lakhs should be charged at 20%. So now I need to take the income minus 5 lakhs. Okay, hit F4 and we should update this in brackets so that this calculation will be done first. So this excess amount should be charged at 20%. Okay. Now the fourth logical test, if the income is more than 10 lakhs. Okay, so we have only one condition. So if the income is greater than 10 lakhs, hit F4. Okay. So if this is true, then firstly on 2,50,000, 10% tax rate is applied. So this calculation should be done first. We should be giving this in brackets, plus on 5 lakhs 20% tax rate will be applied because the income is more than 10 lakhs. So from 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs it is 20%. Okay, so we need to give brackets, and sorry, we should be giving absolute reference and 20%, close the bracket, plus now excess of 10 lakhs. So we need to select the income minus 10 lakhs. I will close the bracket. Okay, and into, so excess of 10 lakhs will be 30% charged. Okay, and here we should be giving absolute reference, so hit F4. So we should be remembering that the cell F15, G15 and H15 should be always absolute reference. So let us cross check. So wherever we have F15, it should be an absolute reference. So by mistake, if you forget to give F4 or there is no dollar sign before to that, then it is not an absolute reference. So I have checked, so this is perfect, and now I will close the bracket, hit enter. So let us copy this formula to the second cell and let us try to cross check the formula. It should not be referred to any other cells except these three cells and the income cell. Okay, So in first case, as the income is less than 2,50,000, it is 0, and in the second case, the income is equal to 2,50,000, so that is also 0, which is correct. And in the third case, we got 5,000, whereas the income is 3 lakhs, which is more than 2,50,000. On the excess of 50,000 amount, 10% rate is applied, which is 5,000. Perfect. And let me copy this formula to all other cells. So I will move this formula bar and I will do Control D. Okay. So now we can see the tax amount is calculated for all the income amounts. Okay. So in this way, we need to calculate the tax amount using ifs and function. Hope this video will help you in your day-to-day Excel work. In order to practice this task, you can download the workbook from the link available in the description. If you like the video, please give us a like, share and comment. For more Excel updates, please don't forget to subscribe Excelytics YouTube channel. This video is created by Team Excelytics. Join Excelytics to excel in analytics. Thank you.